ನಂಗೆ ಥಮೋಯ್ ನಂಗೆ ಪುಕ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರಗೆ ಪುಲ್ಲಗೆ ಥಮ್ಲಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಥಮೋಯ್ ನಂಗೆ ಪುಕ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರಗೆ ಪುಲ್ಲಗೆ ಥಮ್ಲಗೆ ಲೇ ಸಾಫಾ ಹನ್ಬಸ್.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jayson and I'm here again to give you another reaction of video requested by one of our friends from Manipuri, Northeast India. Ronald Josie Long Jump, this is your request. The title of this music video, guys, is LEITE EIGEE by Pushparani ng Chellu Tannarakke official movie song. Oh, this is a movie song. And the uploader of this music video, no other than Tantha. Thank you so much, Tantha. So here we go. Before we start, make sure that you are subscribing to the channel and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video like this. So without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. Ay Bemhal Film ng Chellu Tannarakke. Gokul, wow! Starring Gokul introducing Bunisha Yambem. Oh, wow! She's so young. I like her smile. She's thinking someone, I think. she's like crazy. Oh. Ooh, she's so pretty, guys. Look at her smile. The way she smiles, guys, is so beautiful. Wow. Look at the oh, what a nice view behind her. Oh, wow. Oh. What a nice view, guys. I like the place that they are shooting, guys, this music video. Wow, I like the video copy, guys. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Where is this place? Oh my god. Why this guy he don't like this lady? Oh. But the way what's this? The way he act, guys. This guy I like it, guys. I like it. Wow. Oh my God. Can't believe this girl. She's so talented, guys. Wow. Oh my God. I like this girl. I like this girl. Here we go again. I'm so enjoyed to watch this music video. There is some part that's so funny. Wow, oh my God, that's all for today, guys. LEITE EIGEE. You complete my happiness today, you know. I like it. I love it, this music video, especially the girl here. You know, she's my first time to sing in the music video. That's why, wow, I surprised, guys. She's so beautiful, and the way she smile, wow, I'm so in love with her. Oh my God. I think she's not, you know, she's not only a professional artist, but, you know, she's so famous for me. She's very talented, and you know the way she act, guys. She complete the whole scene of this musical video. Oh my God, I like it, guys. I love it. I like it so much. So thank you so much for sharing me this kind of a music, money for a music #1, guys. So another reaction video ended for today. And I want to thank all of you guys for always there to support my channel and to watch my reaction video. And one more thing, I just want to remind you, for those new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video. See you on my next reaction video. I love you all, and God bless you. Bye!